Okay, so in this question, translate the shape means to shift it by this column vector. Now with the column vector, right, the number on the top tells you how many we move across. And because it's minus, we're going to move to the left, right? We're going to move backwards. Bottom number tells you how many you move up or down in the y direction. And again, because it's minus, we're going to move down, right? Okay, so remember the top number, how many we move across. So if I focus on each corner point, let's go with this corner point first. It's going to move back 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up here. Okay, do the same then for each of the other points. This corner point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up here. And this corner point, back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So join up those corner points. Right? Now, what we could do, right, just to check we've done this properly, is we could actually use tracing paper, right? We use tracing paper to trace the shape. We can see then if the translation is correct. Because when you translate, the shape mustn't change, right? It must stay the same shape. So trace the shape. Let's move it back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see there, look, the shape is perfectly identical. Part 2, it says write down the column vector that will reverse the translation in part 1. So if I wanted to go backwards, okay, to where I'm there, I need to do the opposite. Okay, I need to do the opposite. So I can get my tracing paper again, right? And we can see what our column vector is going to be. Now, column vector, okay, needs to be like this. Remember, the top number tells you how many you move across. So if I've got the triangle here, let's move it across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to move across 5. So we're going to write 5 here. And we're going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my column vector that will reverse it. And you can see, obviously, the numbers are identical, apart from the fact now that the sign has changed, okay? Because you're doing the opposite, aren't you? So whereas here you went back 5, now you've got to go forward 5. And whereas here you went down 4, you now got to go up 4. Okay, so it's reversing that process.